Think that's funny? What about this, Julian? Banging Frosty the Snowman. That's not funny?
Yeah, I'll pull over. What's going on? Oh! Jesus Christ! Oh! Flat tire! Oh! Ah! Fuck. I didn't want to pull it. Oh, Jesus. Get away from my car! I need that one. Now I need it. Give it to me. Oh, shit. I'm gonna cut through it. We'll cut through it. I got an adventure point up here. Ah, shit. Still down there? Suck it! Oh, it's a car. Get it. Oh! Oh. Go this way. Ow. Oh. Oh. No! Nah, I was just hitting something. Welcome back, bud. Don't drop your phone to the camcorder this time. How far down does this go? Oh, Jesus, the Gmod sounds. I made the radio. Oh. Do I hit this? Explore the octopi ring. Okay. Oh. Hey, big man. I like the sounds that are being made, you know, on my headphone set. Headset? That probably would have been easier to say, wouldn't it? Oh, it's mall music. Gotcha. Okay. Let's get back up these stairs. Oh, fuck you. Hey, wrong kind of sound. It's a snowstorm outside. It's not supposed to be thunder. It's supposed to just be like super loud, annoying wind. Exit. Okay. Exit to Preston Road. Exit at Macy's. Okay, let's go to Macy's now. What the fuck? Oh, God. Get away from me. Cool. Not my current priority, though. Macy's. Is there an exit? Go to JCPenney. Okay, go fuck yourself. Again, the wrong kind of sound for a storm right now.
Shut the fuck!
Whatever. Yeah, no, let's play played in the original video, I get it, but... Oh, is this the one where we had last time where it was like... It was a bug because you couldn't actually get to the... Did I get to it? Damn it. I'm stuck there. Yeah, no thank you, no thank you. I want out. I want out. I want out. So let's go back this way. Something just spawned in. I don't know what it was. Oh my fucking god! Oh, Jesus Christ. Where do I go? Where do I go? Where do I go? Where do I go? Fuck. Go to the office. Oh, that gave me a fucking scare. It scared the fuck out of me. Ah, fuck. Come on. You got it. No. Ow. Oh. Open the fucking door. Oh, he got me, but I barely got away. Holy shit. I just walked to the end of a long hallway in the dark. Yeah, something's not right here. Oh, the fucking music. Something tells me that this is not what I should be doing. Running over here. Jesus Christ. All my instincts and training tell me to use this as a weapon. All your instincts and training are wrong. Shit. Oh, can he go up the stairs? Please tell me he can't go up the stairs. Tell me he can't go up the stairs. Yeah, see ya, fuck boy. Is it gonna come up here? No? Okay. Yep, I think I know what I'm supposed to do. I kinda wanna fuck with him. Oh, fuck. Oh. Okay, I'm gonna get out of here. I think that's the whole point of the game, is to get out of here. I speed ran this shit. Holy hell. I don't know why. Get up! I don't know why it took so long last time for us to play it. Okay. Can I go this way? Kind of what I have to do, right? Oh. It's like I'm on top of a fucking building. Holy shit. No! Ah! We weren't even able to die. We weren't even able to die last time. Oh! See ya, boy! Oh. I never actually died last time. Me and Kramer got like to the roof like instantly. And then Vinny died. I had to try to get him back. I'm gonna go out around the outside. Boom. Can I do that? Yeah, I can. Okay. Oh, I am pattering around down there. Not even pattering, just fucking. We good? I made it. Nice. Longest walk ever. Jesus Christ. Okay, there's nothing good in there. Let's go down to the bar. That's a simple fix, right? Yeah. Hey, look at that. Is that seriously? Yeah, that's a half drinking glass of Guinness. Hell yeah, bottoms up. Can I finish it? Ugh. Oh fuck, that's lukewarm. I don't know. Come on, just do it. Oh. No, I don't want this. Watch that later on. Why is it so quiet? Whoa. Shh. Dude. What was that?